Hey guys, okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about steady rest. And the operation of a steady rest is when your part is extended from your chuck an inch out all the way to 3 inches. Then it can come unbalanced. So if it's extended out for this far, for example, when you turn this thing on, it's going to do this. It's going to just look like a cam, basically. So to make it straight, you have this. It's called a steady rest. And how it works is, take this wing nut here, clamp it down, then it'll hold the part true. These are your adjustments here. This is your fine adjustment, and this here is to clamp it down. That way this doesn't tend to walk. The top one doesn't do it as much as the sides do, because the sides was really taking a big part of the load. So if this part shifts either side and you don't have this bolt locked down, well, it'll move your thread here, and then your part, whatever it is, will be off center. So there's different types of steady rest. This one's the one you mount to the bed. There's another one here. This one here is called a follower rest. And what you do here is you clamp it to those holes. Then say you have a part that is this long and you want to put threads on it, or you want to take it and put a taper on it. Well, what you do is you put the taper on it while having the steady rest. That way it takes the rigidity out of the part itself. It'll hold it nice and true. So without further ado, guys, we're going to take one little pass here just to show you guys how it works. So you guys running nice and true there. There we go. Just took a little bit off, but there you go. So you just grazed it. But that's what steady rest does right there. Alright guys, that's it. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, thumbs down. Later.